Mail time boxes. More mail time boxes. More mail time boxes. Alright, so it would look like we have enough ammunition today to do a really dope mail time unboxing, man. We got giveaways to announce, we got YouTube stuff to open, super stoked over that. And yeah, obviously a bunch of shoes and other hypebeast stuff. So stay tuned, that is coming up next.
Nowadays, everybody got a bomb out. P.O.P. and up me and up what I rhyme about. I have arrived, all you rappers on time out. Rap back where you at, everywhere, worldwide. I know you've been waiting for this world to collide. B.O.W.Y. it take a little for long, but they take it back like that commodity and something annoying.
Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untitled Way here, coming at you guys with probably the biggest mail time ever seen on this channel. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 boxes to open today. So it should be really fun. There's a lot of cool stuff in here. Some of it's from a while back, but some of it is like pretty up to date and like basically yesterday's release. But before we get into that though, there is a box that I've been dying to open, and you know, I've been kind of hesitant to open because once you have this thing, it makes everything kind of feel more real, you know? So here is that box. You guys can see that it is from YouTube, and I mean, there's only so many reasons why YouTube can send you something. This is absolutely insane. It's like seriously such a surreal moment because there is like no reality where I would ever think that I, of all people, would get a YouTube plaque, like of any kind, man. I didn't think I would get 1,000 subs. I didn't think I would get 10,000. But to see 100,000 and have YouTube actually send you something, that is, it's insane, man. It doesn't make any sense to me. And I've talked about this in a previous video, but I mean, I only have credit for you guys. Like, when you guys get to the gist of what I do in this channel, and what you guys will be seeing in this video is that I open boxes. That's pretty much all I do. I talk to you guys about how to sell shoes. I talk about how to cop shoes, things like that. But the gist of it is that it's a very simple concept, and you guys made 100,000 happen, which it's such a blessing, man. The Untitled Ohana is so sick, man. Like, Ohana means family, and literally you guys are a family to this channel. You guys are a family to me, and I have nobody to thank but you guys for this like achievement. So thank you guys so much. And to go with this, we already did a 100,000 subscriber giveaway, but I wanted to do another giveaway for you guys because why not, man? You guys are family, you guys are Ohana. So let's do another giveaway. I will be giving away a Hypebeast mystery box. I mean, you guys see it all the time on the channel. I've given away a couple in the past, but I will be doing that once again just for you guys watching this video. Be sure to go down to the description below. It will be a gleam.io link. You basically click on that link, follow the directions on there, and it's super easy, super fast. You guys can enter yourselves for a free of charge Hypebeast mystery box. So thank you. It's like an award speech, man. This is so awkward. But yeah, thank you guys again for this. It's really a blessing and an honor to be part of that 100,000 club. So hopefully we keep grinding, but again, this is not my full-time job. So to see this is like a really surreal thing. And I don't think we'll get past this, but who knows? The future is very wide open, so we'll see about that. I'm keeping this box, man. It's just like shoes. You keep the box because the resale value is crazy. How many times do you see a YouTube box? Alright, so next up, let's get into some of the bags that we got. Like I said, some of these items can be from kind of a while back, so I think this is from like Supreme week 3 or 4. Yeah, kind of a while back. Anyway, let's check it out. You guys are gonna be blown away by this one. I already talked about it on Twitter. If you guys don't follow me on Twitter or Instagram at Untitled Hawaii, I do drop a lot of hints to what some of these boxes are. But I did announce that I was able to manually cop a manual cop, no bot, nothing like that. You guys don't need that kind of stuff. Just have trigger fingers and autofill. Pro tip. But yeah, I copped this Supreme CDG box logo tee. Crazy, dude. Like, look at this thing. So it is pretty cool. So if you guys look over here, Supreme, it's like a split T logo, size large. It does say CDG on the tag as well. Other than that, there's nothing else on the shirt. And I don't know if I can justify wearing like a $300 something shirt, but yeah, dope piece from Supreme. All right, so sticking with the theme of bags, this one is gonna be pretty dope. If you guys don't know, I'm actually about to fly up to Complex Con. It's at the end of October, start of November, so I will be up at Complex Con. It should be really sick. I've been really excited for it. Saw the like set list of performers and stuff that are there. I'm not really hyped yet. I'm hoping that they release some hype shoes or something because it's not as nice as last year. But anyway, the reason why I bought this stuff in here is because I will be traveling. So let me open it up real quick and I'll talk about it a little bit. It's a box inside of a bag. Dude, I'm just gonna start throwing all of these boxes back there. There's so much stuff gonna be going on here. There's no time for these boxes. So anyway, this is actually the item that I copped. You guys can see right there, private Label bag, man. I don't know if you guys have heard of private label before, but I keep seeing it on like feeds of Instagram and like Twitter and just basically all over the place in the hypebeast industry. So I was like, you know, I need to try to figure out how to travel because I don't go anywhere. Hawaii is like super expensive to get anywhere because we can't drive to any place unless you can drive over the ocean or take a submarine. So other than that, you got to catch a plane, which is expensive. So yeah, no need to travel, but now that I'm going to Complex Con, I do have a reason to travel, and you basically can put all of your shoes and other stuff in here. It's essentially a duffel bag, but there's like these dividers and stuff that you can put in to like separate your shoes, so you can not only put your shoes, but I mean you can put your clothes and stuff in there as well. Really sleek design. I like this a lot. Decided to pick this one up, and I also got a couple other things from them. So one of the other things that I decided to check out was this private label fanny pack. I know I kind of crank on fanny packs all the time, but you know what, man, like if I'm gonna be at an event, like a big Complex Con event, I'm not gonna be able to carry a backpack, I don't think, in there. Maybe they'll let me carry this. I didn't really check, which I probably should have now that I'm looking back on it, but it's too late. It's too late. But we got this because it is dope. You guys can see again, it says private over here. Private label, and it's just a very sleek design. And because I wanted to match all the other stuff, I know this is like how collectors and hypebeasts are. You gotta match everything, man. I decided to get the private label backpack as well. So the backpack is dope. You can also put a bunch of shoes in here. I could probably put like maybe 1 or 2 in here, but for the most part, this is more like I'm gonna put my camera and stuff like this in here. So another sleek design, clean. And it's got a lot of space, which is nice. It's not like a Supreme backpack where it's very, very small. You can fit a lot more stuff in here, which is cool. You see a lot of cool things online and you never know, is it actually legit? Does it feel premium? So it's nice that I got these and I'm like actually happy, like really happy with the product. And I always link all of the sites and stuff where I get my things from in the description below. So if you guys want to check out private label and get your own stuff, I would check it out. It's in the description below. So yeah, if you guys are at Complex Con, be sure to say what's up. I will be over there with my private label stuff. Oh, that's right. So you guys can see right here, this is the Yeezy 700, and it is from that restock that you guys saw recently from Yeezy Supplies. But this pair is not actually for me because it is a very small size. It is a size 4. So this one is actually for the girlfriend. I'm not sure if she's gonna wear these, but I always make sure when things drop. Size 4 goes super fast, so it's better to cop it. And if your girl doesn't like it or whoever you're buying it for doesn't like it, you could resell it. So yeah, I'm not sure if there's any resale even on these at all. I just really thought, you know, this is a good time to pick it up. Yeezys for everyone is apparently in full effect. So yeah, why not? So I did a poll on Instagram to see if you guys wanted me to break up this unboxing. And you guys said no, one giant mail time unboxing. So yeah, it's a long video, but we got a lot more stuff. This one is from Undefeated. Alright, so you guys can see over here, it is a Nike box, and man, I'm pretty stoked to get these because this was a surprise restock that I wasn't expecting. We got a pair of the acronym Prestos that just released, and I mean, this is super sick. So I was able to pick this up as a restock on Undefeated because I follow a lot of people on Twitter like Soul Links or Sneaker Twitter that announce restocks and stuff like this. So thankfully I was in the right place at the right time. Was able to click and get one of these for retail, which is nice. But if you guys are interested in these pairs, there's actually like no resale at all basically on StockX. So it's obtainable right now, and I honestly feel like the value of these will go up over time. Acronym is a dope company, and I mean, the shoe is freaking dope, man. Look at that. That is clean. So I would pick this up if you guys can. They will skyrocket over time. All right, let's do this one now. That's right, I ordered 2 of these. I thought there was only 1. This is from Cause, and I know it's from a while back, but Hawaii takes forever to get everything shipped to us. So this is from Cause, and it is the passing through figures. I mean, it's really dope. I love Cause. You guys see them all in the back over there, and some in the back over there. I love his art, and I love these figurines that are like, they're like in museums and stuff, but he models it down so you can have them in your home, which I think is really cool. So I got this one, which is the brown one, and I also got the gray one as well. I honestly like the brown one better, but man, I don't know. Cause figures, very dope collector's pieces. So I should have opened this up with the Wave Runner because this one is actually a pair of the Yeezy 350s, which you guys have already probably copped your own pairs, copped your sister a pair, copped your mom a pair, copped your grandma a pair, because there was a lot of Yeezys and they were for everyone. Shout out to Kanye, he did come through. Yeezys for everyone. These are a pair of the cream whites, and it's a standard white shoe, which is why it's easy to mass produce, which is why Kanye made so many of them. The small sizes do go out quick, and the girlfriend is actually really into Yeezys now. I don't know why, because I don't like Yeezys at all. Well, let's change that. I actually like the Yeezy 500s, which is insane, but 350 is not really big on. But yes, another one for the girlfriend. Make sure you guys treat the people that love you with love, man. And nothing says love like a Yeezy from Kanye. So yeah. Okay, so we got 3 boxes left. Thank goodness, because this place is trashed. All of them being from Nike. Anytime you guys see this kind of tape right here, it's usually from Nike. So let me open these up. I'm pretty excited for these ones. Plus 1. All right, so you guys can see right here, it is a Nike box, man. And it is a size 6.5. It is a youth size. But these were a retail pickup from Sneakers app. So these are super sick. These are the Jordan 1s in that court purple colorway. And man, what's interesting is that these ones are actually different in design from the men's, because the tongue on the kids is white, whereas the tongue on the men's shoe is black. So nice little variation by Nike. I think that's kind of cool. These were a retail cop from Sneakers app. I have no idea how I did that. Put in an entry for this one and I was able to cop, which is kind of cool. Missed out on the actual men's, which is kind of sad. But yeah, I mean, whatever. At least we got the kids one, so that's nice. One more Nike box. And one more box in the back. This one is another youth Nike box, you guys can see right here. But this one is in the green colorway. And you know what? I have not seen the greens in person yet, and this is freaking sick. Obviously, like I was just saying, over here, the tongue is a little bit different again. It's all white instead of black. But this color of green is really nice, dude. Like, I talk about it all the time, but I actually am a graduate from UH Manoa, and our colors are green, so I really do like this kind of shoe. I have a men's size coming in. That will be in a different video, but was able to cop the kid size again through Sneakers, so blessing, man. Super stoked over these. And we finally made it to the end. This is the last box, thank goodness. This video is so long already. I can see it right there on the screen. Cutting out a lot of it because I don't want the filler, because it is too much already. You guys should have made it 2 separate videos. I blame this on you guys, not myself. You guys. Anyway, last box. This one is from Nike again. And honestly, this might be my favorite pickup, like, of the week, man. Because it's a throwback to Nike SB. And what my friend and fellow YouTuber SB Mitch pointed out is that these shoes got a lot of hype, and it's primarily due to Mr. LeBron James wearing them on like an Instagram post. Anytime a celebrity wears a shoe, obviously the resale is going to go up because everybody's going to think, okay, that's super hype now. Nike SB obviously is a market that's not very strong anymore. So anytime you see a celebrity wearing one, it's kind of a big deal. But if you look over here, man, these are fire. Holy God. So I love Nike SBs, dude, and this is a really, really sick shoe. Like, look at the freaking details of this. There's like a little bow tie over here, music notes on the bottom of the sole, and it's just completely laid out in gold with the inner being all purple. They are called the Humidities, and to be honest, man, like, this is one of the primary shoes I was going for this week before LeBron even wore it, because I didn't know that until after the fact. Really dope. If you guys can try to pick them up now, I would pick them up, because they will go up in resale value most definitely. It's just too clean, too nice of a design, man. Pick them up. They're really nice. Man, Sneakers app really blessed me, dude. 3 shoes on 1 release day. That was crazy. So run a good fortune, really run a good fortune. But anyway, thank you guys for watching the entirety of this video. If you did make it all the way through, if you guys didn't, I wouldn't blame you, because it is a really long video. So don't forget to go to the description below, enter that giveaway. It literally takes maybe like 20 seconds, like at most. You just click, 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 and it's super fast. So do that, because you guys could win a free Hypebeast mystery box on me, because I just really want to give back to you guys, because I'm super stoked over that plaque, and because I just feel like the Ohana does so much for me that I want to keep going and giving back to you guys, probably on a monthly basis from now on. So stay tuned for future giveaways, stay tuned for future mail times. Hopefully not another mail time for a while though, because I'm wiped out from how many boxes? 8 boxes. And I gotta clean up all of this mess now. Whatever, it's worth it, guys. I do it for you guys. I do it for you guys. Anyway, until next time, stay humble, stay blessed, take care, guys. I'll see you. Aloha. Shoots.